Hello friends, today I am going to explain about pathology of blood. Objectives: on completion of this lesson, you would be able to know about the followings: pathology definition, blood, functions of blood, composition of blood. Pathos suffering or disease. Logos discovers is the scientific studies of diseases and also deal with causes, effects, mechanism and nature of disease. Etymology: the term pathology comes from the ancient Greek roots of pathos, meaning experience or suffering, and logia, study of. Pathology means the science of the cause and effects of disease, especially the branch of medicine that deals with the laboratory examination of samples of body tissue for diagnostic or forensic purpose. Pathology is the study of the causes and effects of disease or injury. The word pathology also refers to the study of disease, the general incorporating a wide range of bioscience research fields and medical practices. However, when used in the context of modern medical treatment, the term is often used in a more narrow fashion to refer to processes and tests which fall within the contemporary medical field of general pathology, an area which includes a number of distinct but interrelated medical specialties that diagnose disease mostly through analysis of tissue, cell, and body fluid samples. Idiomatically, a pathology may also refer to the predicted or actual progression of particular disease, as in the statement, the many different forms of cancer have diverse pathologies, and the affix pathy is sometimes used to indicate a state of disease in cases of both physical alignment ailment, as in cardiomyopathy, and psychological conditions such as psychopathy. A physician practicing pathology is called a pathologist. As a field of general inquiry and research, pathology addresses four components of disease: cause, mechanisms, of development, pathogenesis, structural alternations of cells, morphologic changes, and the consequences of changes, clinical manifestations. In common medical practice, general pathology is mostly concerned with analyzing known clinical abnormalities that are marks of or precursors for both infections and non-infect both infectious and non-infectious disease and is conducted by experts in one of two major specialties, anatomical pathology and clinical pathology. Further divisions in specialties exist on the basis of the involved sample types, comparing, for example, cytopathology, hematopathology, and histopathology. Organs as in renal pathology, and psychological systems, oral pathology, as well as on the basis of the focus of the examination as with forensic pathology. Pathology is a significant field in modern medical diagnosis and medical research. Blood. Blood is a body fluid in humans and other animals that delivers necessary substances such as nutrients and oxygen to the cells and transports metabolic waste products away from those same cells. In vertebrates, it is composed of blood cells suspended in blood plasma. Plasma, which constitutes 55% of blood fluid, is mostly water, 92.92% by volume, and contains proteins, glucose, mineral ions, hormones, carbon dioxide. Plasma being the main medium for excretory product transportation, and blood cells themselves, albumin is the main protein in plasma, and it functions to regulate the colloidal osmotic pressure of blood. The blood cells are mainly red blood cells, also called RBCs or erythrocytes. White blood cells, also called WBCs or leukocytes, and platelets, also called Thrombocytes. The most abundant cells in vertebrate blood are red blood cells. These contain hemoglobin, an iron-containing protein, which which facilitates oxygen transport by reversibly binding to this respiratory gas and greatly increasing its solubility in blood. In contrast, carbon dioxide is mostly transported extracellularly as bicarbonate ion transported in plasma. Vertebrate blood is bright red when its hemoglobin is oxygenated and dark red when it is deoxygenated. Some animals, such as crustaceans and molluscs, molluscs use hemocyanin to carry oxygen instead of hemoglobin. Insects and some molluscs use a fluid called hemolymph instead of blood, the difference being that hemolymph is not contained in a closed circulatory system. In most insects, this blood does not contain oxygen carrying molecules such as hemoglobin because their bodies are small enough for their tracheal system to suffice for supplying oxygen. Javed, vertebrates have an adaptive immune system based largely on white blood cells. White blood cells help to resist infections and parasites. Platelets are important in the clotting of blood. Arthropods using hemolymphs have hemocytes as part of their immune system. Blood is circulated around the body through blood vessels by the pumping action of the heart. In animals with lungs, arterial blood carries oxygen from inhaled air to the tissues of the body, and venous blood carries carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism produced by cells from the tissues to the lungs to be exhaled. Medical terms related to blood often being with hemo or hemato, also spelled HEMO, hemo, and HAEMATO, hemato, from the Greek word haima for blood. In terms of anatomy and histology, blood is considered a specialized form of connective tissue given its origin in the bones and the presence of potential molecular fibers in the form of fibrinogen. Functions of blood. The primary function of blood is to deliver oxygen and nutrients to and remove wastes from the body cells, but that is only the beginning of the story. The specific functions of blood also include include defense, distribution of heat and maintenance of homeostasis, transportation nutrients from the foods you eat are absorbed in the digestive tract. Most of these travel in the bloodstream directly to the liver, where they are processed and released back into the bloodstream for delivery to body cells. Oxygen from the air you breathe diffuses into the blood, which moves from the lungs to the heart, which then pumps it to the rest of the body. Moreover, endocrine glands scattered scattered throughout the body release hormones into the bloodstream, which carries them to distant target cells. Blood also picks up cellular waste and byproducts and transports them to various organs for removal. For instance, blood moves carbon dioxide to the lungs for exhalation from the body, and various waste products are transported to the kidneys and liver for excretion from the body in the form of urine or bile. Defense. Many types of WBCs, white blood, protect the body from external threats such as disease causing bacteria that have entered the bloodstream in a wound. Other white blood cells seek out and destroy internal threats such as cells with mutated DNA that could multiply to become cancers or body cells infested with virus. When damage to the vessels result in bleeding, blood platelets and certain proteins dissolve in the plasma interact to create clots which block the ruptured areas of the blood vessels involved. This protects the body from further blood loss. Maintenance of homeostasis. Recall that body temperature is regulated via a negative feedback loop. If you were exercising on a warm day, your rising core body temperature would trigger several homeostatic mechanisms, including increased transport of blood from your core to your body periphery, which is typically cooler. As body passes through the vessels of the skin, heat would be dissipated to the environment, and the blood returning to your body core would be cooler. In contrast of a cold day, blood is diverted away from the skin to maintain a warmer body core. In extreme cases, this may result in frostbite. Blood also helps to maintain the chemical balance of the body. Proteins and other components in blood act as buffers, which helps to regulate the pH of body tissues. Blood also helps to regulate the water content of body cells. Composition of blood. Composition of blood. Figure 1818. Composition of blood. The cellular elements of blood include a vast number of erythrocytes and comparatively fewer leukocytes and platelets. Plasma is the fluid in which the formed elements are suspended. A sample of blood spun in a centrifuge reveals that plasma is the lightest component. If fluids at the top of the tube separated from the heaviest elements, the erythrocytes, by a buffy coat of leukocytes and platelets. Hematocrit is the percentage of the total sample that is comprised of erythrocytes. Depressed and elevated hematocrit levels are shown for comparison. Red blood cells. Red blood cells, also called erythrocyte, cellular component of blood, millions of which in the circulation of vertebrates, given the blood its characteristic color and carry oxygen from the lungs to the tissues. The mature human red blood cell is small, round and biconcave. It appears dumbbell shaped in profile. The cell is flexible and assumes a bell shape as it passes through extremely small blood vessels. It is covered with a membrane composed of lipids and proteins, lacks a nucleus, and contains hemoglobin, a red iron rich protein that binds oxygen. Red cells contain a special protein called hemoglobin, which helps carry oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body and then returns carbon dioxide from the body to the lungs so it can be exhaled. Blood appears red because of the large number of red blood cells which get their color from the hemoglobin. Plasma. Blood plasma is a yellowish liquid component of blood that holds the blood cells of whole blood in suspension. It is the liquid part of the blood that carries cells and proteins throughout the body. It makes up about 55% of body's total blood volume. It is the intravascular fluid part of extracellular fluid. All body fluid outside cells. It is mostly water up to 95% by volume and contains important dissolved protein 6 to 8%. Example: serum, albumins, globulins, and fibrinogen. Glucose clotting factors, electrolytes, hormones, carbon dioxide. Plasma being the main medium for excretory product transportation and oxygen. It plays a vital role in an intravascular osmotic effect that keeps electrolyte concentration balanced and protects the body from infection and other blood disorders. Poikilocytosis. Poikilocytosis refers to the abnormality in erythrocyte morphology documented in Romanowski stained blood smears or as observed by scanning electron microscopy. Most poikilocytes observed in higher species are also noted in the rat. Specific poikilocytes are associated with disease but may also be observed during the evaluation of rat blood in toxicity studies. Diffusible constituents, namely understanding these hormones and the role it plays in the body will help you make informed health decisions. Vitamin D is a hormone the kidneys produce that controls blood calcium concentration and impacts the immune system. It is also as calcitriol, ergocalciferol, calcidiol, and cholecalciferol. Anabolic constituents like glucose, amino acid, fatty acid, and triglycerides, triglycerides, electrolytes like sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, catabolic products like urea, uric acid, and creatinine. Specific gravity venous blood males 1.057, female 1.055, blood serum 1.026 to 1.031, anthracids 1.092 to 1.095. Specific gravity increases water toss due to sweeties, deers, lures clarified by exudation of steroid into tissue, decrease large cortex of winter intake, dilution of blood. In case of serves, hemorrhagic hair is drawn in from the Hush's spaces. Injection of saline into vein. Increase in calcium of acidosis, polycufloction, hyperplastic plastic cyanosis, hypercyclonic diethylene decrease, anemic fever, exercise oxygen, cycladic leukosis, malaria. Red blood cells called RBCs. The normal RBCs count is 4.5 to 5.5 million per cu of blood. Red blood cells are produced in the bone marrow of spongy bone. Proteins, iron, vitamin B12, folic acid, thyroxine, trace amounts of copper and manganese are required for the synthesis of red blood cells. The average life span of red blood cells is about 120 days. Composition of erythrocytes. Erythrocytes possess a cell membrane made of lipoproteins and glycoproteins. Lipids constitute about 45% of the membrane. Protein form about 50% of membrane constituents. Polysaccharides constitute 5 to 7% of membrane materials. Each human erythrocyte contains 280 million molecules of hemoglobin. Glycogen is not present in matured erythrocytes. Organic sulfur compounds like glutathione and ergothione are present in red blood cells. RNA and DNA absent. Inorganic ions K plus and Cl are the major inorganic ions. Ca2 plus, Na plus, HCO3 and PO43 minus are minor. Cu2 plus and Zn2 plus are present in the prosthetic group of superoxide dismutase of erythrocytes. Zn2 plus is also represent in carbonic anhydride present in red blood cell. Enzymes The cytosol protein of erythrocytes contain enzymes for glycolysis cycle and pentose phosphate pathway. The membrane of erythrocytes contain Na plus Na plus. Depends ATPase which participate in the transport of Na plus and K plus across the membrane. Normal value of Hb hemoglobin. Adult matter 14 to 17 gm%. Ferule 12 to 16 gm%. The deficiency of red blood cells in the blood of percentage of hierology decreased than the normal is called anemic. Oxygen supply. This is utilized for the oxidation of hemoglobin to hemoglobin. Hemoglobin so produced is reduced by NADPH and hemoglobin re-educates to hemoglobin. In an inborn deficiency of hemoglobin, re-educates causes methemoglobinemia. Erythrocyte sedimentation rate ESR. The rate at which the erythrocytes settle under the force of gravity alone is called erythrocyte sedimentation rate. Normal ESR values Windrobe mm for male 0.0 to minus 6.5 mm or hour, and female 0.0 minus 1.5 mm hour. It is an indication of tissue damage in cases such as myocardial infarction, pulmonary diseases (TB), and rheumatoid arthritis. ESR value above normal are seen under the conditions of infections, tissue injury, malignant tumors, and pregnancy, and also the skin alterations. Red blood cells. Normal red cell count, adult male 5 million or cubic mm, female 4.5, enlarge 6 minus 10, 6 to 7, factor 7.8 million. Causes of variation. Diurnal variations. Lowest during sleep, maximum in even count increase in muscular exercise, higher altitude, and vice is equal to versa. Higher external pop, injection or adrenaline, and excites. Abnormalities in erythrocytes. The important disease due to abnormalities of erythrocytes are as follows: polycythemia, iron deficiency anemia, megaloblastic anemia, sickle cell anemia, thalassemia, hemolytic anemia. Polycythemia increase the number of red blood cell is called polycythemia. Increase in the number of red blood cell could be relative or absolute. Relative polycythemia is due to diminished plasma or as a result of loss of water, as in diarrhea, chorea, and diabetes insipidus. Absolute polycythemia is an increase in the total number of erythrocytes. This disease occurs mostly in elderly people, frequently in men, and number of erythrocytes increase to 10 million or more per ml. The causes of polycythemia are mountain sickness at high attributes and other. The symptoms of polycythemia are headache, weakness, red face, etc. Erythrocytes, red blood cells. Erythrocytes are non-nucleated biconcave discs with an average diameter of 7.2 microns. They have a respiratory pigment called hemoglobin. Summary. So far we have discussed in the lesson composition of blood, functions of blood, plasma erythrocytes, abnormalities in erythrocytes, etc. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.